Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. Friends, I got hands-on with the Realme X8 Max device, which I did order for about 20,899 rupees. This is a 12GB and 250GB RAM variant, and this is my first phone to use with the 12GB RAM variant in my channel. Yes friends, I have never used 12GB RAM before. So the main reason why I did purchase this 12GB RAM is because of the comments and feedback which I am getting on recently. So recently friends, the Realme X8 Max, there's a sale went off and I did get for about 20,899 after the Axis Bank Flipkart discount and everything. So you can see I'm getting so many comments like asking me to try the 12GB RAM Realme X8 Max versus 8GB RAM Realme X8 Max. So in this way we'll be able to know exactly what's going on with the RAM management in the Realme X8 Max devices most of the time. So that's what my main intention of making these videos on the 12GB RAM variant. So let's see friends, what are the box contents exactly will be there inside the box and everything, my experience of using this 12GB RAM variant. For the next few days I'll be uploading a lot of speed test and RAM management videos only. Yes friends, that's what I'm going to focus most of the time on this 12GB RAM version, only the speed test and the RAM management test. And let's get started with the unboxing of this contents, and let's see what are the contents in the box are available here. And here we go, the Realme X8 Max device. Wow, all the documents, let me keep it aside, everything. This box is pretty big, I can definitely say that. So is a Realme X8 Max device, as you can clearly see friends. So I will definitely compare this 12GB RAM model versus the Realme GT Neo 2 8GB and Realme X8 Max 8GB and the iQOO 7 8GB as well. So let's get started with the unboxing of this Realme X8 Max device. So is an unboxing of 12GB RAM version, 12GB and 256GB storage. So which I got for about 20,899 rupees using the Flipkart Axis Bank credit card. So let's see friends, how is the impression going to be there. I'm really excited to test out the 12GB RAM model, especially how will be the RAM management will be there in this device. So here comes the device. Let me need to cut everything. And finally, here we go. So let's take a look at the device itself, and is a 12GB RAM and 250GB variant which is available, which is of silver color. I did order. So right now I do have the black color, so I thought of ordering different color. So this is a silver color package which you can actually get here. Let me to keep the phone side, and inside the box we do get the pretty normal stuff, which is super dot charger, which will be there, 65 watt super dot charger, but the phone supports only 50 watts. And right now we do have the cable inside the box as well. This is a pretty standard cable, nothing much. And apart from that, let me show you what are the other things included. So there's a SIM card removal pin as well, and there should be case, so which is a transparent case. As you can see, transparent case also provided in the box, not bad. Let me to keep everything side. And let's take a look at the Realme X8 Max device regarding the initial setup and everything. So right now is the Realme X8 Max. So this is a silver color variant friends, which I did order exactly. I did not get the another color, so especially I was looking for another color, but I did not get that. So I thought of ordering different colors, so which is kind of different from 8GB and 12GB, just to differentiate myself. So even I should not get confused, right, which is what phone. That's the reason I thought of ordering different color exactly this moment. And let me do power on and check is there any kind of battery left in this device or not. So since we got in very low discount price, so I'm expecting the stock should be kind of pretty old stock, I think so. That might be another thing, but I need to check a couple of other things regarding the scratches. Is there any scratches or not? Everything I need to be pretty clear. I'm just trying to check is there any kind of marks and scratches. So I think there is not much scratches happening here. So let's do the initial setup friends in this video on the Realme X8 Max, which is a 12GB and 250GB variant. So as I said, which I did get for a very good price, I would say definitely. I'll let you use this device for a couple of next few days. So let's see the initial setup, what is the process and everything. And still there's some kind of battery is there in the phone, not bad. I just want to see, is there any difference between the 12GB and 8GB variants? Do we notice any kind of difference or not? That's what my main intention of making this video exactly. So finally we got the welcome screen as well. So this is a 12GB RAM variant, friends, which I did order. Not bad. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick initial impressions and my thoughts about this 12GB RAM version. And definitely I'll try to do the in-depth testing. And let me know in the comment section below what are other videos you want me to demonstrate testing on this Realme X8 Max. Let me know in the comment section. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and bye.